Welcome back to Legendary Machine, where we explore the finest in automotive engineering. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking presence and power of the 2026 BMW M8, a machine that continues to redefine grand touring performance with every generation. This year's model carries the unmistakable DNA of BMW's M division while pushing the envelope with bold design, refined tech, and race-ready engineering. The first thing that commands attention is the exterior. The 2026 BMW M8 has evolved. With sharper lines and a more sculpted presence, it still retains that wide, aggressive stance that signals serious intent. The front fascia is dominated by a reworked kidney grille, slightly slimmer, more angular, and finished in gloss black with active air flaps. It's flanked by sleek laser headlights with adaptive matrix technology, giving the car a menacing, yet elegant expression. Below, a reprofiled bumper with larger intakes channels air with greater efficiency, enhancing both performance and visual drama. From the side, the M8 carries a coupe silhouette that looks fast even when standing still. The roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, aided by carbon fiber roof construction that lowers the center of gravity. The long hood, short overhangs, and flared wheel arches deliver a muscular aesthetic. Forged lightweight 20-inch M alloy wheels are standard, wrapped in performance tires that hug the pavement with confidence. A fresh side skirt design and subtle M badging add further distinction. At the rear, the M8's quad exhaust system is housed within a redesigned diffuser that now incorporates vertical fins for better aerodynamic flow. A revised LED taillight cluster extends across the rear, emphasizing the width of the car. The carbon fiber lip spoiler finishes the look, merging form with function to enhance downforce. Every inch of the M8's exterior has been sculpted to enhance airflow, cooling, and downforce without compromising the luxurious essence expected of a flagship coupe. Underneath, this bold shell is a powerhouse that doesn't just deliver speed, it dominates. The 2026 M8 is powered by a heavily refined 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Output now peaks at 650 horsepower and 620 pounds-ft of torque, with a broader torque curve that delivers brutal acceleration from any gear. Mated to an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive system with an optional rear drive-only mode, the M8 delivers blistering performance and a surprising amount of agility for a vehicle of its size. BMW claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars the brand has ever built. But it's not just about straight-line performance. The chassis has been retuned with adaptive M suspension, stiffer anti-roll bars, and revised damping characteristics that offer better body control through corners without sacrificing comfort. M carbon ceramic brakes provide massive stopping power and heat resistance, ideal for track use or spirited driving on twisty roads. The steering is direct, precise, and responsive, offering just enough feedback to keep the driver in command while retaining everyday usability. BMW's latest traction and stability systems have been recalibrated, making it easier to push the limits with confidence. Whether carving through mountain roads or accelerating on the Autobahn, the M8 feels planted, refined, and utterly ferocious. NSID. The M8 remains a tech-laden luxury cocoon designed around the driver. The 2026 model introduces subtle updates, including a new curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single sweeping unit. Graphics are razor-sharp, customizable, and packed with performance data. The new iDrive 9 interface is faster, more intuitive, and supports natural voice commands. Premium materials abound, from merino leather sports seats with contrast stitching to carbon fiber and aluminum accents that emphasize performance. The M-specific steering wheel, paddle shifters, and configurable M buttons give the driver direct control over powertrain and suspension settings. Rear seat space remains limited but usable, while the trunk offers respectable room for a grand touring coupe. Ambient lighting, Abe Bowers and Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, wireless charging, and advanced driver aids are all included, blending modern convenience with motorsport heritage. BMW continues to walk the fine line between race-inspired aggression and daily drivability with finesse.